Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to set any saved music or audio file as ringtone in iPhone smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Files application and now just click on this browse. And now just click on this on my iPhone. Now select the respective ringtone, just tap and hold on it. Now here you will see share option, just click on it. Now here you will see three dot icons, just click on it. Now you will see here one option written use as ringtone, just click on it. Now you can see here the respective music or audio file has been set as my default ringtone. As you can see, directly it has been added, so you can see here. So you can repeat the same process if you want to add different music or audio file as a ringtone for your iPhone smartphones. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily set any saved music or audio file as ringtone in iPhone smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.